Hey everyone, happy Diwali. If you're gonna hear some sounds of some noise of like crackling or something, then somebody is like bursting firecrackers outside. Happy Diwali. Anyways, let's get to the problem. So today we are gonna be solving this Leetcode problem 404, sum of left leaves. Let's see the question. Given the root of a binary tree, return the sum of all left leaves. So this is like a very straightforward question. This is the binary tree is already given to us, and we have to sum these left leaves. So like here is the binary tree: 3 9 3 9 20 null, 3 3 9 20 null null, 15 and 7, and the output is 24. So how we are getting the output is like we are adding 9, that is the left leaf of the left subtree, and again in the right subtree the left leaf is 15, so 9 plus 15 is 24. So this is a very straightforward question, and the solution is actually very straightforward. It's not a hard level question. So we are going to be using recursion in this question for this solution. So let's solve the question. So what we'll be doing is, like, if mandatory check root is equals to null, then we will be returning 0. Return 0, and then at the end we will be returning the sum of the left leaves of the left subtree recursively. So sum of left leaves root dot left plus sum of left leaves root dot right. This is what we will be returning, and in here we will be checking for if the left leaf, if the left node of the left subtree has other nodes on its left or right. Like let's write and I will explain. So if root dot left is not equals to null and root dot left is equals to null, and last check is for right, root dot right is equals to null. Can you hear the firecrackers crackling in the background? It's tough to record video today. Anyways, root dot left dot val, the value at the left subtree, I will explain, don't worry, plus sum of left leaves root dot right. So what's going on in this if condition is, like, we are checking if root dot left is not equals to null. Here in this case we have a root, but is there any element on the left part of the root? Yes, there is. So root dot left is not null. So we have 9 in this left as a left part of the root. Okay, so we have another node on the left of the root, that is 9. So root dot left is not equals to null. Okay, and root dot left does this 9 contain any left children, and is it null? So this 9 does not contain any children, and dot left like 9 does not has any children, so it's null. So we have only 9. Okay, and root dot right is not equals to null. If root dot right is equals to null, then we will be returning root dot right is like we have 20 here, but if there was no value or no node here provided here, we would have root dot right is equals to null. So if this is the case, then we would be returning root dot left dot val, that is the at the left part of the subtree we have the value 9 plus sum of the left leaves root dot right. So we are recursively calling the root again on the right subtree. Again on the right subtree it checks if root dot left, that is on this subtree now on 20, 15 and 7 we will be checking if root dot left is not equals to null. Root dot left is not equals to null. In this case, when we are recursively passing root dot right into the sum of left leaves, we are passing this right subtree into the function. So it's checking for if now 20 is the root. So it's checking like if root dot left is not equals to null, root dot left is not equals to null, we have some value on left side of the root, and if and root dot left like 15, does 15 has any value on its left side? No, it has no value on its left side. So 15 dot 20 dot root 20 dot left is null, and 20 dot right 20 dot right is equals to null. Yes, no, 20 dot right is not equals to null. So it's not getting inside this if condition. It's going over here and again recursively calling the function again. So I hope you understood the code. Let's run the code and check if it runs. Sum of left leaves, cannot find symbol. Oh, sorry, my bad. Left. Okay, let's run it again. Oh, it's giving wrong answer. Let's see why it's giving 0 output 0. Why it's giving output 0? Root dot root equals to none, return 0. This condition root dot left not equals to dot left equals to none, root dot left. Oh, sorry, my bad. Root dot left dot right. Sorry. Yeah. This would be checking like 3 would be checking for root dot left dot right. So in this tree, in this subtree 20, 15 and 7, it's checking if root dot left dot right. Does 15 has any right subtree? If it does not has any right subtree, then we would be entering this return statement and we will be summing the values of 15 and 9. Let's hope this code runs now. Yes, this runs. Let's submit. Yeah, it's submitted and it's 0 ms 100% faster. So I hope you understood the solution to the problem. If you haven't understood the solution of the problem, I would suggest you one thing: just write it in a pen and paper and just trace the recursion path. If you trace the recursion path, I am sure you will understand the problem. It's a very easy problem. So that's it for this video. I will be returning tomorrow again with a new video, and till that, keep solving Leetcode. So bye.